boys and girls. Today we are going to talk all about perimeter. I hope you enjoyed the read aloud earlier in the lesson. Our learning target is, I can find the perimeter of polygons. The perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of an object. Let's start with problem number 1. A rectangular picture frame has a length of 5 inches and a width of 4 inches. What is the perimeter of the frame? Ms. Brunin is going to use her homemade tiles to help model this. If it has a length of 5, then I know I need 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If it has a width of 4, then I know that I'm going to need 4 rows. Well, I've already got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, because perimeter is the distance all the way around, I have to fill this in. So I have the entire picture frame or model. So bear with me. Almost there. Okay, now here is our model. It has a length of 5 and a width of 4. Well, in order to find the perimeter, we're going to use this strategy. The first step is we're going to count the amount of tiles for each side. So let's start with side 1. I have made 4 blanks so I can fill them in. So let's count. Side 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Side 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And side 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what do you know? This has 2 pairs of congruent sides because it's rectangular. The left and the right are congruent, and the top and the bottom are congruent. The second step to finding perimeter is we need to find the sum of all the sides. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. I see 2 friendly numbers. I see 2 4s, which are doubles. So we've got 10 plus 8 equals 18. So that means the perimeter of our picture frame is 18 inches. Now, you are going to try this one on your own. After I read the problem, you are going to press pause and work it out on your own using our strategy. Once you are finished, you are going to come back and press play. Let me read the problem. Sally wants to put a border around her bulletin board. All sides of her bulletin board are 4 feet. What is the perimeter of Sally's bulletin board? I went ahead and made our model for us. So we know that all sides are 4 feet. So that means its length is 4 and its width is 4. And I had to fill it in to make sure that we could find the distance all the way around. Our first step was to count the amount of tiles for each side. Well, there's 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And side 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now step 2 is adding them together, finding the sum. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 groups of 4. That's 16. So the perimeter of Sally's bulletin board is 16 feet. And that's our answer. Now you are going to try one on your own. After I read this, you are going to go to Google Classroom and put your answer that you find under the math section and classwork. If you do not have Google Classroom, that is totally fine. Work it out on a piece of paper. Mr. Carter is building a fence around his flower bed. The garden measures 3 feet in length and 6 feet in width. How much fencing does Mr. Carter need to buy? Now, remember to use our two-step strategy to help you solve this. Go post it in Google Classroom or work it out on a separate sheet of paper. Great job, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning all about perimeter.